Hello everyone, I'm Layman with MI Windows and Doors, and today I'm going to show you how to replace one of our standard screw-in locks with one of our new snap-in replacements. For our demonstration, we'll be using a sample window. The first thing you want to do is unlock the window and tilt out the sash. Then you're going to want to remove the two screws that hold the lock in place. And the lock should just pop right out. We're now ready to install our new snap-in lock. It should just pop right into place. Now if it doesn't hold fast, there are two screw holes here which you can install 1-inch screws. Once you have your lock in place, simply tilt the sash up, snap it into place, and your installation's finished.